This milk has almost double the protein, but no one's explaining how. So today we're reviewing a little bit of an interesting product. So I'll pop the important macros onto the screen in terms of what most people are going to look at. But I thought we'd talk more about what makes this so high protein. So this milk is ultra filtered. Instead of most high protein drinks where something gets added to it, this actually has a lot removed. And that comes down to the filtering process. So the milk gets ultra filtered where the water is essentially removed from the milk. And all that's left is the casein and the whey. Then liquid gets added in little by little until they get to the macros that they want. So think of it kind of like a super milk, just short of a protein shake. And in terms of taste, just tastes like a heavily concentrated milk. I do have to note that this milk is on the higher end when it comes to price, but this is due to its filtering process. So if you're already drinking milk in your coffee, your tea, your cereal, and you have a couple of extra bucks laying about, this is an easy way to sneak in some extra protein into your diet without changing it too much. So same milk taste, just more protein.